Hello students, good morning. Welcome to you in my YouTube channel Physics Adventure. Today we are going to discussing a very interesting topic, projectile. What is projectile? How we can define projectile? It is one of the very important topic in 11th class. So suppose a ball is thrown from this point O and then it come back on the earth. This ball is moving upward. If we throw this ball to upward side, then it has one component y and x-axis. There are two. It is two dimensions. So, when we throw a ball in upward direction, it has initial velocity u, and it will make an angle theta. So we can see that this component is u cos of theta, and in direction vertical direction this is y sine theta. So u cos theta in horizontal direction and u sine theta in a vertical direction. After reaching this ball at the midpoint of this is highest maximum height. It is denoted by h, and it take a time small t, and after that it also take a time small t, so total time will become 2t. But here the velocity will be equal to 0 at the maximum height, but the initial velocity u cos theta will be same at every point. So we can define projectile. Definition of projectile is an object thrown upward with an initial velocity and then it allowed to move under the effect of gravity. Under the effect of gravity is known as projectile. There are so many examples of projectile. Example number 1. Suppose we threw a ball, an object, from a certain height. So this is one example. And a bullet shot from a gun and a javelin thrown. There are so many examples of this projectile. So we have to discuss all the 3 points. First is time of flight. Second is maximum height. And third, we will discuss about range. What is range? Range from O to E. This is the distance. Range. Okay. So we can define a projectile, an object thrown upward with an initial velocity and then it allowed to move under the effect of gravity. This is projectile. Now first of all we have to discuss more about time of flight. Time of flight. How much time it will take to reach back on the ground? So if we take this formula, v is equal to u plus at, this is equation number 1, because here velocity v is equal to 0 and a is the acceleration. All, as we know very well that every object attracts the earth. This is g, but A ball is thrown upward, so we'll take A is equal to minus G. So acceleration is minus G, and small t is from here. We can find here small t is equal to T over 2. So T over 2, and U is initial velocity, U cos of theta. Now put all these parameters in equation number 1. We get V is 0 is equal to U cos of theta plus minus G into T over 2. So this is equal to U. We can take this negative side to here, small g capital T over 2 U cos of theta. We have to find time, so therefore T is equal to cross of 2 U cos theta over G. This is the time of flight. You have to do some numericals according to this. When they have given some numerical how to find time of flight, then T is equal to 2U cos of theta over G. This is the first point. Now next we will find the maximum height. Second is maximum height h. How we can solve it? Maximum height h, we know that s is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the distance. S is distance.